Hey guys, so today's video is all about how we can chat with our own custom data using LlamaIndex. So in this video, I'm gonna talk in brief about what is LlamaIndex, how we can use LlamaIndex, and at the end of this video, we're gonna see a simple tutorial of how we can actually chat with our own custom data, that is PDF, and get contextually responses back from this whole system that we built. Okay. So let's get started. So first things first, what is LlamaIndex? If you don't know what is LlamaIndex, LlamaIndex is an AI framework to help you build LLM-powered applications. You can also build RAG applications and AI agents. As you can see in the image, right, the left-hand side, it has all these connectors like data connectors, data indexes. It provides you with embedding models. It has a lot of, LLMs and integrations with vector stores and evals. So basically, LlamaIndex offers these tools to significantly enhance the capabilities of your LLMs. So data connectors to basically ingest data from various sources in that is in different formats like structured, unstructured. Data indexes to structure data in vector representation so that the LLMs can easily consume that data and query engines as interfaces for question answering on your data. That's what we're going to see today. And chat engines as interfaces for conversational interactions with data. And agents as complex multi-step workers with functions and API integrations. And also, it provides you with observability, what we call evaluation capabilities to continuously monitor your uh, LLM applications, RAG applications. So the traditional keyword-based search might bring up irrelevant responses for the user query. But while LlamaIndex provides these context-aware answers, because LlamaIndex has this capability of connecting with integrations with a lot of these vector stores and LLMs, embedding models, like I said, right? So that's what we're gonna see today with a simple tutorial in the next part of this video. Hey guys, so this is what we're gonna see today, chatting with PDF using LlamaIndex. So as you can see in the workflow diagram here, the source document that is our custom PDF that I have created and which we're gonna upload, and that PDF is basically going to get split into pages. And the vector embeddings are created using the embedding model, OpenAI's embedding model. And then these embeddings are stored in a vector database. And for any user query, I'm going to ask a query and then which goes through the vector database using vector search and semantic search to basically answer back with contextually relevant responses. Okay, so this is what we're going to see today. So you might ask, what is the scenario, right? The best scenario would be like, imagine you're working on a research paper or a project that involves reviewing several academic papers, reports, or manuals in PDF format, right? So instead of manually skimming through hundreds of pages to find relevant information, you can simply ask questions directly to the your PDF, directly to the PDF using LlamaIndex. So this saves a lot of time and ensures that you don't miss critical information hidden deep within the document, right? So that is one of the use cases which there are many use cases of this, like where you can basically use LlamaIndex to chat with different with your own custom data to basically easily skim out the contextually relevant responses as soon as possible instead of going through a large data set, right? So that's what LlamaIndex and LangChain are here for. So that's what we're going to see today. So this is the simple tech stack, right? As you know, we are using LlamaIndex. It's a simple, flexible data framework for connecting custom data sources to LLMs. It's basically a AI framework with all the toolkit that it provides to basically help you build LLM powered applications. And then we are also using LlamaParse from LlamaIndex itself. It's a document parsing library developed by LlamaIndex to efficiently and effectively parse documents such as PDFs, PPTs, etc. We are using PDF. That's why we are using LlamaParse, and also we are using Streamlit. It's an open source Python framework for data scientists and AI/ML engineers to deliver interactive data apps with few lines of code. So Streamlit is actually an open source framework to rapidly build and share your machine learning and data science web apps, which you can showcase to the world. So this is our simple tech stack. And in the next part of this video, let's see a simple tutorial of how we can basically chat with our own custom PDF. Hey, so here's my repo where all my code is present. Chat with PDF using LlamaIndex. As you can see, the requirements.txt file. So we want Streamlit, we want LlamaIndex, and we also want LlamaParse. So this is our requirements.txt file. And if you go to the main application code, basically we are importing the libraries, the LlamaParse, Streamlit, LlamaIndex, and vector store index. And we are basically configuring the Streamlit app because we're going to open it in our local host where we're going to upload our custom PDF and basically we're going to mention our open AI API key, Llama Cloud API key. So uh, you need to have these two, OpenAI API key and Llama Cloud API key. So we're gonna mention these two, and then as mentioned here, right? So once we open the app in our local machine, we are going to share our Open AI API key and Llama Cloud API key. And then we are also going to upload the document that we have, right? And once we upload that, we can actually chat with our own with our custom data. So yeah, basically it's creating index and the query engine. And let's see this in action. Okay, so here is my code. Like I said, this is my requirements.txt file. This is my complete code. um, so yeah, once we run this, as you can see, it opens in localhost 8501. So yeah, so this the application is ready. It's running here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna basically share my OpenAI API key. Here is my OpenAI API key. Don't worry, I'm gonna delete it as soon as this tutorial is complete. I'm gonna share that. And I also have Llama Cloud API key. We need to make sure we are providing this. So, and now that we can drag and drop the document that we have, custom document. It says browse files. So in my document, I have this um, guide on generative AI. I'm gonna use that. And you can use your own custom data in the PDF, which is in a PDF format. So let's ask what is an LLM, or what is a large language model, right? So that data is already present in my document. So I'm gonna just use that query, and then let's see the response. The first time it's gonna take some time, and then let's see what all is present in my uh, that PDF. Okay, so this is the PDF I basically used. So let's ask some very specific answer. Let's ask about generative AI developer stack. Okay. So as you can see, I think, yeah, a large language model is a type of deep learning model trained on extensive data set for, yeah, this is kind of generic. Let's, like I said, right, what is let's what is generative AI? What is that? Tech stack, is it? Generative AI developer stack. Generative AI developer stack. Developer stack. So let's see what it says. So as you can see, the generative AI developer stack is a set of technologies, frameworks, and tools used in developing applications that leverage generative AI. It typically includes components for handling different aspects of applications, such as, as you can see, the stack is structured in layers, with the UI layer represented by React for creating the user interface, and the service layer represented by LangChain and OpenSource. As you can see, the React, and it says LangChain and React, right? So React is the UI layer and LangChain is the service layer. So basically, it is answering us what we are asking for. So let's again ask some. What is the storage layer? Okay, what is the storage layer in the generative AI developer stack? What is the storage layer used in the generative AI developer stack? So we need the answer like single store, because we have mentioned single store. So the generative layer used in the generative AI developer stack is the single store database, which is a database technology that unifies multiple data storage capabilities such as transactions, vector embeddings, and real-time analytics. So as you can see, okay, our where is my guide? Yeah, it's here. So the storage layer is single store, and we have mentioned that. So like this, you can ask different questions regarding your PDF. It will basically give you the contextually relevant answers, right? So yeah, that's how you can basically chat with your PDF. Let's ask Llama 2. Llama 2 is also a very generic one. So yeah, you got to know, right, how we can. Yeah, let me ask. Let's vector datascape, the vector database landscape. Let's ask about the what do you about the vector database landscape? The vector database landscape includes pure vector databases such as yes, and vector capable NoSQL databases such as MongoDB and all that. Additionally, there are vector capable SQL databases like single store, PostgreSQL. So exactly what we asked for, right? So where is my document? It's here. So as you can see, there are different type of vector databases here, right? The pure vector databases, full text search databases, vector library. So it's basically answering that to us in a very precise manner. So this is how you can basically use your custom data and add it here to using LlamaIndex. You can chat with your own data. So hope I'm going to share this link in the description of this video or in my LinkedIn. So you can go through and basically try to use your own custom data and chat with it to see how contextually relevant answers you're going to get. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video, and if you really liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks.